Welcome back. In this video clip, I'm going to show you guys how to export quantities from the model. And also you can filter out certain model elements you don't want to include in the quantity takeoff. For example, if you just want to export the quantity of your structures components of your model, we can do that as well. Now let's first go back to the model tree and retrieve everything we have in the model. Unhide everything, and I'm going to close the model tree, and I'm going to change this back to category. And for the walls, we don't want to include in our quantity takeoff or our estimate. What we can do is just click this, get this selected, and change the visibility to hide. So now if we just want to do a quantity takeoff the remaining component in this model, we can export just this part of the model to our Excel spreadsheet. Now let's export. Click right over here, export to Microsoft Excel. So here there's one important option for you guys to include or not include. Include an instance. That means every single component in this model is going to be listed as one row of the data in the Excel spreadsheet. For example, if you have about 100 columns, even though they are exactly the same, but they are going to be listed as a row in your Excel spreadsheet, and your Excel spreadsheet is going to look very busy. So we would like to uncheck this one so that our Excel spreadsheet is going to be a little bit cleaner. I'm going to uncheck this and export. This Excel spreadsheet that I just opened, if your Excel spreadsheet is not opened automatically, you can always just go to the downloads folder to get this Excel spreadsheet. So you can see those are organized by category: doors, floors, the structural columns, and you can see for the same type of columns, they are just listed as one row of data, but instead the count is 18. That means there are 18 structural columns like this one. So this is the quantity takeoff, and if you would like to edit the data, for example, if certain columns you don't think you want to include in your quantity and you think this is not really helpful for your estimating, you can always delete those columns, and you can also add some additional columns. For example, if you would like to get the weight of your structural columns, steel structural columns, you can use the parameters get exported from the model to calculate the weight of the steel. Alright, that's it for the model quantity takeoff from Assemble Systems. Now I'll see you guys in the next video.